Hello, my name is Vincent from BMW of Waterbury, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about your car's battery. Your battery is one item in your car that's typically forgotten about. It either resides under your hood, in your trunk, or under your back seat. And this little thing is the item that you depend on the most to start your car consistently over years. Just kind of get an idea on what 4 years of cycling the battery means to the battery. Every time you start the car, every time you sit in the car with the ignition on, that's drawing from this component. It is replenished by the generator system, but there's a lot of demands on this. And that's really why manufacturers of batteries recommend changing this every 4 years to try to eliminate a situation where you're stuck on the side of the road looking for a replacement, a tow, or potentially a safety situation because you're stuck on a shoulder. So give it some consideration, have your battery inspected today, but also consider just by the amount of time to replace it every 4 years. A little footnote, every battery will typically have a stamp on it. This one indicates that the battery was manufactured in November of 2023. You should be able to see the same information on your battery. So inspect your battery, bring it into BMW Waterbury. We will inspect it for you, but consider replacing it at least every 4 years. Thank you.